If you're using a small phone and you switch in auto rotate, when you rotate your phone and have your chart this way, a whole lot of features comes up. Number one is that you will have a wider view of the chart, okay, just like you're having it from your monitor, which gives you more access to what the market is doing, and you can analyze the market much more better. Then next, when you tap on it, you see time frames by your left, the other tools by your right, depending on the instant execution, the settings button. Now if you want to move from one currency pair to the other, you tap on this very dollar sign. That will now show currency pairs on this left side instead of the time frames that was shown there initially. And if you look at this point, you find out that what is now there is like a clock, is no longer like a dollar sign. So if I tap on it again, from there you can switch between time frames and the currency pairs that you want. Okay, other things are the indicators we talked about, the objects we talked about, the crosshair. Then this is the bar chart we talked about using from the settings. This is the candlestick, this is the line chart.